We're finally here at VMM TV. Nakakatuwa, makakatry na tayo ng original pictures na talaga guys. Taste test, exotic food ng Thailand.
Before we start this vlog, I'm here to introduce myself. I will be Zach's narrator, and from now on I'll be popping in some parts of his videos. Okay, now, let's get poppin'.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy Zach Poppin'. Good morning. It's the day of my flight. So, nandito na tayo sa lobby and naka-ready na rin yung mga gamit ko. We're just gonna go to the airport and medyo nagmamadali na rin tayo. So, I'll see you guys there. We made it to NAIA Terminal 3. We're just waiting for the boarding time. Buti na lang guys, hindi namatay na traffic and hindi naman mahaba yung pila sa immigration. I was able to finish the whole process here in NAIA at around 30 minutes. So lucky. Kasi guys, kung hindi, malilate tayo at hindi tayo abot sa flight. Pero kanina lang sa security check, medyo kinabahan ako.
He was actually so nervous about this.
Kasi they checked my maleta and my bag. Pero alam ko naman sa sarili ko na wala akong pinak na anything na would be questionable for them to check. So medyo kinakabahan ako kasi diba nga recently meron ako naririnig or meron na kayo napapanood siguro yung tanimbala. And I'm scared kasi I'm going alone in a different country. So right now I'm gonna bring you guys with me. We're gonna check yung mga gamit ko. Pero alam nyo for real, medyo kinakabahan talaga ako. So just to check everything. Ito yung chinek ni ate kanina. Skincare. So far, na naman ako nakikitang hindi dapat makita dito. Sara na natin tong skincare bag. It's better to be safe than sorry guys. Okay, lari naman. Clear ang maleta. So we're checking our bag naman. Wala nang laman yung bag guys, pero hindi ko pa na-check kung may nailabas ako. So far naman wala pa ako napapansin. By the way guys, ito pala yung picture ko galing Korea. Like ID picture nila yan, it was so good. Okay, panatag ng aking isipan na wala naman tayo nakita. Thank you Lord. Sorry guys, medyo kinabahan lang ako talaga. So always listen to your intuition din kasi kung may mga ganyang cases, mahirap na. We're gonna travel and we're gonna be in a different country. We don't know the rules and regulations there, diba? Baka makulong pa tayo. So, guys, ayun, again, better be safe than sorry. Hey guys, so we just arrived at the Don Mueang International Airport. Or hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yun, pero ngayon, kailangan natin i-fill up yung arrival card nila. Ang galing lang ngayon kasi kung iisipin nyo, halos lahat meron ng digital arrival card. So it's not that hard. Like parang dire-diretso na. We're done filling it up. By the way, nandito rin pala yung kailangan i-scan na QR code for the arrival card. And that's really nice. Actually, in terms of our arrival card, sa lahat ng countries na napuntahan ko, dito ako pinaka-nadalian. Kasi it's seamless and it's short. So that's one good thing as well. And I like that. Pipila na tayo sa immigration. Right now, we're here na almost exit. Kasi paglabas dito, I think ito exit na after talaga. So, naghahanap lang tayo ng SIM card. I also need to withdraw money, like 10,000 bahts. I-research muna natin sa Google. Kasi minsan reliable naman si Google. AIS. May AIS dito. So, try natin tingnan kung magkano here sa AIS. Thank you! Super bait nila dun sa AIS. Nakakatuwa naman kasi I think first recommended na Google. So right now naman, dito tayo mag-withdraw sa Krungthai. Based kay Google, dito din daw maganda. Cute ng ATM machine nila dito. So, yun nga, meron siyang 220 baht charge. I use my GCash card kasi it always has the best conversion rate. Kailangan na natin ng tulong ng information center. We're gonna ask some questions. So, sabi ni Miss was to go to exit 1, then go dun sa my main road. Then there's gonna be a bus stop. Then I'm gonna wait for the number 504. Kung hindi ko na kwento sa inyo, pero feeling ko halata naman. This is a solo travel. I'm all alone in Thailand and I don't know no one here. We're just DIYing our travel through research na lang, di ba? Actually, medyo kinakabahan ako. Akala ko naliligaw ako. But then, we just have to walk further. Dire-diretso lang after ng exit. Alam nyo, ito ata yung first place na para lang ako nasa Pilipinas. Natatakot ako. Baka mamaya mag-Tagalog ako. Pero they wouldn't understand. I found a bus stop. It's here. I just have to wait for the number 504.
Something happened in the bus. He'll tell you about this later.
We found it. Let's go. Nakapag check-in na tayo kanina. Hindi tayo makapag-vlog inside kasi natutulog yung iba. It's a hostel, so you have to respect each and everyone. Ang feel kong gawin today is just to immerse myself into Thailand muna para makapag-adjust din ako. Maghanap tayo ng makakainan pero hindi ko pa talaga alam yung gagawin ko. So, sasamahan niyo lang talaga ako kung saan-saan tayo mapupunta. Nagugutom na ako. Kain muna tayo somewhere here. Tingin tayo ng mga masasarap na food outside. So apparently, most of the shops that are here in the street I entered are closed already. And I don't know why. Comment kung bakit nagsasara sila ng maaga.
Apparently, they were daytime markets and they close early.
Ngayon, I have to find another place to eat. Sa Lawson, kumuha lang ako dito ng water para mabarehan na yung pera natin kasi magkakommute ulit tayo. Got it. Let's go to the counter. Got my barya. Success ng pagpapapalit natin ng pair to smaller bills because we bought water at Lawson's. And number one advice ko, pagka withdraw nyo money or pagka exchange nyo, get smaller bills because you're gonna need it sa commute. I'm thankful lang dahil mabait yung conductor kanina. Sobrang nahiya ako kasi yung iya 1,000 bill. Didn't know how to pay because yung QR code was not working sa mga apps ko. Nilitaan na lang ako ni nanay and then he didn't have to pay. So, I'm really glad for that. Yun lang, don't make my mistake. By the way din pala, nandito ako sa bus stop ngayon because we're going to Khao Kamo Troksong. Here in Silom lang din, pero medyo malayo-layo siya ng slide. So, doon tayo kakain. And then, their dish there, I don't know what it's called, pero
Zach, it's called braised pork.
para siyang same sa patatim natin. I really wanna taste it. Parang nag-crave ako doon. Medyo matagal yung bus nila dumating and hindi na talaga kaya. So, maybe it's a sign. Magta-try na rin tayo nung Grab nila na motor ride. So, let's see. First time experience here in Thailand. I'm not sure if it's this shop, pero mukha naman masarap yung food dito. So, let's go eat na. Tikman na natin our first food in Thailand. Sarap siya, guys. Actually, I was planning to go sa coffee shop, right? And ayun, ang ganda kasi nung lobby namin. It's like the common area. It's so big. Ang nakakatawa. Feeling ko na-immerse ko na yung sarili ko sa hangin ng Thailand. Because of their transport system here. It was fun. Scary. Pero hindi mo naiisipin na babaho yung buhok mo because of the helmet. Timpla na lang tayo ng chocolate dito tsaka kumain ng crackers. Sarap. Mamunin natin to. Parang siyang apple. May ganun. May pagka-apple yung flavor. Gusto mo naman. Galing, parang siyang sweet corn na flavor. This one. Maalat na. This one parang Hello Panda. Sarap lang. Rest muna tayo, guys. Baka mamaya mag-market tayo. Hello everyone! Bumubulong ako ngayon kasi most of my roommates are asleep na or are going to sleep na. And then, ayun nga, after I drank the chocolate and the biscuits, I went up and then fell asleep because I was kinda tired. And then, when I woke up, I felt a bit under the weather. I got a massage and now I'm doing better. So, hindi na tayo natuloy sa night market. I might do it tomorrow or we'll see whatever we do tomorrow. Good night everyone! Morning! So, today, we're gonna eat lunch muna. I don't know where to eat yet. And we're gonna go to the Grand Palace. Then right after that, we're gonna go to GMM TV to just hang around. Because we might see some BL actors there. We don't know. I'm here at Ilong Station because we're going to Sanam Chai. Yun yung pinaka-closest sa Grand Palace. Is it okay to buy one-time ticket to Sanam Chai? 27. Thank you. Platform number 1. Thank you. Okay, as she said, I have to go to platform number 1. Ang ganda rin ng train station nila dito. I was a bit scared to try this kasi nga, it's a bit different. Google Maps, hindi siya ganun ka-accurate here when it comes to train stations. You really have to research. After mo mag-research, find the closest station to you and find the closest station sa pupuntahan mo. From there, you can use Google Maps naman pag walking so you can be guided where to go. Right now, we're here at Sanam Chai Station already. And note guys, na madaming lines, different train lines. So, you really have to check which one's the closest one and which one you have to go to para hindi kayo maligaw. So far naman, very friendly lahat ng tao. I was able to ask around. Thank you rin pala din sa receptionist at Kilongmo Hostel because he was able to kind of guide me when it comes to these things because I asked last night about where these places na I want to go to and which transportation mode is the most convenient one, and she said it was a train line. We have to get used to this naman. I feel like kaya naman. By the way, look at this train station. Ang ganda. Medyo mahaba-haba pa ng lakaran to, but I saw this and I wanted to show it to you guys. This is the Ministry of Defense. It's like a big palace. So we're just finding the entrance for the Grand Palace right now. Apparently, it's closed already. It's until 3:30 only. But I just wanna go down and check. Nagtanong-tanong na ako, but they said yun yung closing time. Hi, is the Grand Palace closed already? Closed already.
สโลว์เลื่อนเวลาเป็น 3:30 แล้ว
Oh, okay. So no more entrance.
No.
Tomorrow. Okay, thank you. So yeah, it's final. It's closed. Mission failed for Grand Palace. We might just go back another time. He said that this is the entrance. I just have to go in and pay to enter. Let's see kung kailan tayo makabalik. Isisingit na lang natin siya sa itinerary. But right now, we're just gonna go to GMM TV. On my way back to the train station. But I want to show you guys this. This is the Wat Pho Temple. That's what I saw here. Oh, ang cute. Exterior niya pa lang, looks beautiful. And then this one is the Royal Clock Tower. It's there. There's a lot of big places here. So nice. One. Thank you. So there's an open temple pa, which is the Wat Pho Temple. Sayang naman since we're here. I looked for the entrance and I got in. Let's look around. Grabe. Like, wow. Look at this, oh. So I think this is an entrance of the temple. You have to remove your shoes. May mas malalaki pa, like bigger versions of like their pyramids. Wow. So nakita natin yung the Kong dito. We wanna beat it. Have to donate money. We're going to the Buddha naman na nakahiga. You have to put your shoes in here. Here it is. Here's a better view of the Buddha. Mission success. Nakapunta tayo ng temple and I was able to ask someone take a picture of me. Really have to be social when it comes to solo traveling so you can approach anyone and you can have pictures. Just portrait, and then I just want this to be like seen, something like this. Oh, you're Japanese?
Japanese.
Yeah.
Are you Thai?
No. Thank you, Minako. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. We're finally here at the very famous GMM TV. It's much taller, pero ito kasi parang big part. So I feel like going to Starbucks here to get some drinks. We just got mixed berry green yogurt at Starbucks. After nito, ang plan ko is to go to Chatok Chak Market because I wanna see it already and I wanna eat some Thai street food. We're just gonna stay here for a while. We're gonna check din baka may dumaan
Unfortunately, he didn't see any actors.
Afterwards or something. I'm here at their 30th floor because you can enter to check their GMM TV merchandise shop. And there's gacha, there's this, lots of things you can choose merchandise from the artists. We're here, guys! We just arrived at the Chatok Chak Weekend Market. I'm so excited because nandito na yung mga street foods nila. I don't know which one to try. I think I found the first one that I'm going to try. Grilled chicken and grilled beef. Can I have 2 of these and then 2 of this? Hi, can I order one? Yeah. Thank you. Ang dami rin palang shops dito sa gilid. And look, gaganda so far. Pero mamaya na ako titingin after kumain. Bibili lang tayo ng drinks. Iniwanan ko na sa table yung food ko. So, feeling ko na walang mangyayari doon. Kaya, let's hope na lang for the best. Can I have one of these? Thank you. Kain na, guys. Ito na silang lahat. So, yung kaya na-realize, meron palang drink shop dito sa harap ko. Like, nandyan din yung same drink na binili ko pa. Dun sa may malayo. Ano ba yan? Pero, it's okay. Let's eat na. Feeling ko kailangan ko muna mag-rehydrate. Let's drink muna. Rambutan pala siya. Sarap. What is Thailand without pad thai?
He didn't know what he was putting in.
Nakakatuwa, makakatry na tayo ng original pad thai. Must try, guys. Masarap. Promise talaga, malasa siya. Wow. Mas masarap. I can finally conclude na sobrang busog ko and sarap ng food. Ngayon naman, let's go shopping. How much is this one? 420. One box. And then for one piece, how much? 40 baht. Siyempre, we have to look around pa rin to check. Let's compare prices. Gusto ko na bumili ng inhaler para yun na lang yung pasalubong ko sa kanila. Pag-uwi, para parehas lang kami na may inhaler since it's really good. I've been looking for a bag store. Oh, let's check this one out. 490 yung ina-eye-on ko na. We'll check muna again. Pero maganda siya. It's black. Leather naman siya. I feel like it's their own materials. I think they built it themselves. So, it's cute naman. So, I bought it na, yung inhaler. I went to the third store. So far, it's the same price. I caved in na kasi ito lang naman yung magiging pasalubong ko for the super laki ng Chatok Chak Market. Grabe. Nasa other side niya na ata ako. And there's so much more to discover. But I'm looking around. I haven't seen anything special. Ganyan siguro din talaga pag nagtitipid. Mapili ka sa kukunin mo. I saw this store and look, ang gaganda ng mga damit. You know what? I feel like kung nandito yung isa, Borginas, if you're watching, I feel like you're gonna like this shop. It's so nice. I saw something that would look good to use as pajama. This one, no? Look. Ang cute niya for pajamas. But I think I'm gonna go for the color red. Check naman natin dito sa shop niya kung how much. Ang magaganda rin. Try on lang natin to. I like this color. Parang feeling ko, hindi ka makapag-Thailand nang hindi nagtatry ng mga ganito nilang damit. So let's try one. I'm back at the hotel and I'm whispering kasi someone's asleep here, but the other ones are awake at the back. I just want to show the ones that I've bought in Chatok Chak Market for the shirt. I bought this one. This one looks good. Kaya ako nagpalit ng pattern kasi same kami ni Mama Mel. I want na may terno kaming pajamas, diba? Para matchy-matchy. And for the whole inhaler naman, ito na yung pasalubong nilang lahat. I'll see you guys tomorrow na. Good morning guys, it's Sunday already, May 11, 2025. What we're going to do today is we're going to walk Arun, and then we're going to Lumphini Park, and then at night we're going to Pichuca Rooftop Park. That's the plan. We skipped the day na kasi yesterday we weren't able to do a lot, we're just resting. But today, we're gonna go back to touring around the city, and we're gonna be with someone. He's living here in Thailand, but he's Filipino, so they're gonna meet na siya. We're gonna meet at Terminal 21. By the way, I'm not pushing through with Grand Palace anymore. I'm gonna exchange it with Wat Arun. Since Wat Pho and Wat Arun para is like the opposites, and kasi Wat Pho is with the Grand Palace. Technically, magkakatuloy temple, but nandito sa side na yun. Tara na, let's start our day. So there's been a change of plans. We're going to River City instead because nandun daw yung malapit na parang ferry going to Wat Arun. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this already. Download BKK train app para easier nyo ma-navigate yung train stations nila through your phone. Right now, I'm just gonna walk to River City. I'm at Walang Phong Station. Hello everyone! We have people here and siya ang kasama natin for today. And we're going na to the ferry. Bibili na tayo ng ticket. We're here na at the pier and you're gonna pay daw pala when you ride the boat. Let's go to Wat Arun. Ang fresh ng kasama ko.
30,000.
Wala daw tulog yan. By the way guys, he's an actor in GMMTV. Yes.
Sorry, Kap.
Bumili din kami ng fries. Ayan, kain. Kain. Sarap. Anong fries to?
Mote.
Mote fries to. We're here na at Wat Arun. We're just finding a costume that we can rent. Then we're gonna take a picture. Tapos yun na, Lumphini Park. Advice ni Bolt, dito daw kayo sa other side mag-rent kasi mas mura. Pag dun daw sa kabila, nasa 400 to 500. Well, dito nasa 200 lang. Ayan. I don't know what the street is called. Bolt, anong tawag sa street na to?
Wangdong.
Wangdong. So here's the recommended shop.
Okay.
Daw dito, and then may choices. Thank you. Ayan yung mga choices. Nakabihis na tayo. We're wearing the Thai costume. Huwag niyo napansinin, nakasocks pa ako, pero it looks really good. Namin niya rin burloloy. We're gonna take some pictures inside Wat Arun already. We're here inside. Look at it. Grabe, ang taas niya pala talaga. Magpipicture lang kami. Akitin natin, gusto mo.
Yung bell doon. Para pag minsan nakampagan.
Tatanugin ko daw sa taas. Mag-attending na ako sa Thailand. Feeling ko natin na good way. Let's take a picture. We're done here. Yun na yun. Pictures na talaga guys gusto ko. Kasi syempre, finish a Thailand trip without taking a picture here in Wat Arun. Convoy, but motorbike version. Yan, nakaabot tayo sa Lumphini Park with the fountain over there. Nag-bolt na kami kanina kasi nga kung hindi, madilim na namin maabutan ang park. Hindi maganda pag gabi na sa park. Magkaiba lang kami ng binabaan sa may gate 3 siya dito sa Watani Road. So, ayan na siya. Kaya pa, ang layo talaga. Tara, mag-boat na tayo. Dapat sinundun muna lang pala ako ng boat.
Close daw eh.
Close?
Bukas na pwede.
Oh, sarado daw yung boat. So, ayan, let's just appreciate the view right now. Sarado rin yung Pichuca Bar. Wala rin, hindi rin natin siya mapupuntahan today. But tonight, we're just going to... Saan tayo pupunta?
Pinagarinda, train market.
Tapos
dun sa may Huay Kuwang MRT station para mag-pray, mag-wish. Kasi mga wishes doon, natutupad karamihan.
sana matupad ang wish.
Oo.
Dive ka na.
Ha?
Dive ka na sa... We're here at Shining Taste at Silong. Dito kami kakain. Guys, funny story. Sorry, hindi ko na na-vlog. Pero nagpanik kasi kami ng slide. Yung mic, alam niyo kung nasaan, naiwan namin. Well, hindi siya naiwan. Kinlip ko kasi sa kanya to nung nag-picture kami sa park. And then hindi niya napansin. So, dumikit sa escalator. Buti na lang, nasa escalator lang. Kasi kung hindi, maghahanap kami sa park ng ganito kaliit naman.
Mag-shoot sa river.
Ay, hindi naman. Kakain muna kami ngayon because we're both hungry. Then, We're going to the ones he said kanina. Pakita ko lang yung food namin, guys. Ang sarap.
Patay rice kasi mo.
Yeah.
Ayan rice. Tom yum. Ito parang pares.
Ayun, braised beef, tom yum, and bone broth. Then ito yung ginawa niyang sauce. So, man natin. Sana masarap. Pero feeling ko naman, mukha naman dun. Man na natin. Sarap. Welcome to Train Market! Grabe! Looking around, it's so mura. Plus, kaya pala kami nandito kasi nagtanong ako sa kanya kung saan maganda magpa-tarot reading. Yun talaga yung pinunta ko sa Thailand. So, maghanap lang kami ng place.
Bubos. 269 baht to 69 baht. It's so mura.
Mura lang mga labubo, guys. Loko. By the way, guys, yung Fortune and Career Buddha na dapat pupuntahan namin kanina, hindi na kami natuloy kasi lakas ng ulan. So, we went here straight instead kasi baka maabutan na ng cut-off ng train station. Itong dito sa Train Market, mas madali mag-go around if ever kasi malalapit yung mga pinagsistayan namin dito. So, going back, hanap na tayo ng tarot reader. Right now, we're here at the market itself. And hindi pa tayo sumasakses kasi yung pupuntahan natin mga tarot readers, apparently they're closed. So, we're trying to figure out if we can call them online. Kasi hindi tayo susuko. Kasi hindi na tayo natuloy dun sa Buddha. By the way, ang sarap nitong buko nila dito. And dito yung store. Pa-message namin si Oh My Witch sa line and we're just gonna ask 10 questions. Let's go for the sake na matara
20 question na.
20 na lang. No? Sino ulit? Gabi na naman tayo nabuhay. But right now, we're here at Kaohsiung Road and we're going to eat. Kasi para sa kaming gutom ni Bo.
Hello! Maring up.
Kain, guys!
No.
Taste test, exotic food ng Thailand. Parang mani, yung lasa. Yes, where we're at, we're going to Tichuca Skybox. Good morning, guys! It's our last day in Bangkok. Guess what kung saan tayo kakain? Sa 7-Eleven. Kasama ulit natin si Bolt.
Hello.
Siyempre, ang bibili natin dito is yung cheese na sandwich.
He was so excited to try this drink. Could you guess if he liked it?
And then, the banana and chocolate. This one. Don't forget your cup of ice. Okay, let's pay na. Sabi ni ate, i-mix na daw natin sa gilid. Not sponsored, guys. Muna natin.
He actually didn't.
Masarap naman siya, pero parang hindi siya yung dinescribe nila na parang sobra talaga. Like, for me, it's good. Pink drink pa din. Since craving ako sa Pad Thai, dito tayo bibili ulit. Pad Thai! Then, bibili tayo ng atay na barbecue. Sana meron pa. Tikman na natin yung triple cheese spinach sandwich. Guys, sayang sarado pa yung liver na barbecue. 3 p.m. pa doon, hindi na ako aabang.
So at this point, he was actually rushing to eat because he was about to be late on his flight. Guess what? He actually made it and flew back to the Philippines.
We're back home in the Philippines and I really had fun on this trip. I hope na kahit papaano is may na-share ako sa inyo and you have learned from my mistakes and you had fun as well on this trip kasi I really had fun. It was a very short trip. Medyo nakulangan pa rin ako sa 5 days but I hope I'll be back soon in Thailand. That's it for this vlog. I'll see you guys on the next one. Keep on shining, everyone. Bye!